Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss paper B class 11th and our first topic is Indian economy at the eve of independence. Indian economy at the eve of independence can be discussed with different heads. That is, first is the state of agriculture. That is, what was the state of agriculture, what was the position of agriculture at that time when India became independent. Now, agriculture, the first and foremost point in agriculture sector was that agriculture was the main source of livelihood for the people. That means nearly 95% people, 95% people, they earn their livelihood from agriculture. They depend on agriculture at that time. Thereby, at that time, there was lack of industrialization, lack of this. So employment was limited to. Simply, we can say employment was limited to agriculture, and the next is the production of food crops to greater extent. That means at that time, people they were producing those goods which they consume at their home. For example, called like this rice, wheat. These goods were only produced like rice was produced, wheat, those goods which were consumed at home. These goods were produced at most extent, and the goods like cash crops like jute, cotton, sugarcane, etc. These goods were produced in less quantity. The cash crops are those crops which we sell in the market, and these goods were produced in less quantity. Why this? There was a reason behind it, because there was absence of the organized market for agriculture goods. जो एग्रीकल्चर गुड्स थे उनके लिए एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्केट उस टाइम पे नहीं था. दैट मीन्स द मार्केट विच वी सी इन दिस टाइम्स, मतलब हम यहाँ पे मार्केट देखते हैं. मार्केट में जो these goods are available, easily available, like jute is easily available, cotton easily available, and at that time there was absence of market, this organized market for the agricultural goods. That was the main reason why the cash crops like jute, cotton, they were produced in less quantity. And number fourth is there was labor intensive technique of production. That means the production in the agriculture sector was mainly depends on the labor intensive technique. So what is labor intensive technique? Labor intensive technique is a technique where more of laborers are used, and there was absence of machines like tractors, threshers. जो इस वक्त हम ट्रैक्टर इस्तेमाल करते हैं, थ्रेशर्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हार्वेस्टर्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं. उस टाइम वहाँ पे मतलब लेक ऑफ मैकेनाइजेशन था. उस टाइम मतलब यहाँ पे नहीं, ये मतलब प्रोडक्शन वाज दिस द labor intensive technique of production was used at that time. Like animals were used. Animals like these is man labor force. We can say labor force. These the technique of agriculture was simply we can say it was backward at that time. So why when it was backward at that time, that's why the production of food crops it does not increase to that extent which we मतलब जो जिस तरह आज ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है उस टाइम उतना प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता था, क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर it depends upon this backward technology. That is animals were used. There's like plow it was used, जिसको हम हल बोलते हैं. हल से मतलब हम जमीन जोते थे उस टाइम. तो ट्रैक्टर की मतलब ये ट्रैक्टर जो थ्रेशर से जो मैकेनाइजेशन है आज वो उस वक्त अवेलेबल नहीं था. दैट्स व्हाई द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस एग्रीकल्चर इट वाज वेरी लो. बट दो इट वाज वेरी लो, बट it was the main source of livelihood for the people. And there was the most important thing is here, there was a feudalism in agriculture. Agriculture was backward. That means the production of the agriculture was very less. Production in agriculture sector, it was because the most important thing is here, there was feudalism in agriculture sector. Feudalism means वहाँ पे for example जो टिलर था, feudalism means for suppose जो वहाँ पे मैं I will explain it, जो वहाँ पे टिलर था like जिसको हम टेनेंट बोलते हैं, he cultivated the land, he produces the crop. When he produces the crop, और उसका जो क्रॉप था, जो उसकी फसल जब वो तैयार करता था फसल, तो उसका 1/3 और वन हाफ कौन ले जाता था? गवर्नमेंट। उस टाइम जो गवर्नमेंट थी उसने मतलब जमींदारी सिस्टम लागू किया। दैट मीन जो जमींदारी सिस्टम था, रैयतवारी सिस्टम था, महलवारी सिस्टम था उस टाइम। तो जो टेनेंट था, जो किसान बेचारा था, उसको जब वो प्रोडक्शन तैयार करता था, उसको उसमें से या 1/3 या 1/2 जमींदार को देना पड़ता था एज टैक्स। दैट मीन्स द टैक्स वाज वेरी हाई एट दैट टाइम। एंड सो this was the feudalism in the agriculture sector. So the tenants they become less, their willingness becomes less. मतलब वो उनकी अब इच्छा नहीं, ज्यादा 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 इच्छा नहीं थी हम प्रोड्यूस करेंगे ज्यादा, क्योंकि जब वो ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करते थे उसका ज्यादातर हिस्सा किसान वो मतलब जमींदार ले जाता था, तो उसको वो टैक्स भरना पड़ता था उसको भी। तो लेकिन जो जो टेलर था वो, इसलिए वो उसको मतलब जो उसकी जो विश थी, उसकी जो विलिंगनेस थी ज्यादा मेहनत करने की, वो उसमें नहीं थी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।